For thousands of years, people have looked up at the night sky, filled with stars and endless darkness. The universe has always sparked deep curiosity and wonder in human minds. Even before science, ancient people created stories to explain the stars. But in the 20th century, scientists developed a powerful idea called the Big Bang Theory to explain where everything came from. This theory says the universe began from a tiny, hot point and then expanded rapidly. It helps us understand how the universe started, grew, and how it might end one day. While the Big Bang Theory is widely accepted by scientists, there are still many puzzles left unsolved. New discoveries often challenge what we thought we knew. One such discovery came in 2023 when the James Webb Space Telescope spotted something unusual. It saw structures in space that seemed too old to exist based on current theories. These objects looked like they were there before the universe was even supposed to have formed. This shocked many scientists and led to big questions about time itself. If what the telescope saw is true, our understanding of time and the early universe might be completely wrong. This could force scientists to create an entirely new theory about how everything began. Astronomy is full of surprises, and every new answer leads to more questions. One star, in particular, has caused a lot of confusion and interest among researchers. The star is called HD 140283 and is located about 200 light-years away in the constellation Lyra. It moves very fast through space at nearly 4,500 kilometers per second. This star is nicknamed Methuselah, after a long-living biblical figure, because of its extreme age. Some scientists once believed it was 16 billion years old. Later studies adjusted that number to about 14.46 billion years, with a possible error of around 800 million years. Still, that would make it older than the universe itself, which is thought to be only 13.8 billion years old. This creates a major problem. How can something be older than the universe? Scientists have started rethinking how they measure time and the age of stars. Measuring star ages is very difficult because stars don't change quickly. Scientists use changes in color and brightness to make educated guesses about their age. One method is called gyrochronology, which measures how fast a star spins. Like a spinning top, stars slow down over time. But this technique also has limits. Even if Methuselah isn't older than the universe, it's definitely one of the oldest stars we've found. Maybe we're wrong about the age of the universe itself. To imagine the history of the universe, think of it as one calendar year. The Big Bang would happen on January 1st, Earth would form on December 31st, and human history would begin just seconds before midnight. That shows how small our place is in the grand timeline of the universe. Based on how galaxies move, scientists currently believe the universe is 13.8 billion years old. But new ideas suggest it might be much older. A physicist from the University of Ottawa, Dr. Rajendra Gupta, proposed that the universe could be 26.7 billion years old. He combined an old idea called tired light with modern physics. This theory says light loses energy not just from expansion but also from deeper processes we don't fully understand. If he's right, our measurements of distance and time in space could be off by billions of years. It might mean the laws of physics, like gravity and the speed of light, have slowly changed over time. If the rules of the universe aren't constant, then everything we know about its past might be wrong. The universe could have looked very different billions of years ago. This isn't the first time science has had to adjust. In the past, even the famous astronomer Edwin Hubble believed the universe was only 2 billion years old. Now, we're considering it could be over 26 billion. While scientists debate the universe's age, other discoveries add more mystery. The European Space Agency's Gaia mission found strange things happening in our own galaxy. It noticed that stars on the edge of the Milky Way are moving slower than expected. This could mean there is less dark matter in our galaxy than scientists believe. Dark matter is invisible, but it is thought to make up most of the mass in the universe. It helps galaxies hold their shape, even though we can't see it directly. If there's less dark matter than we thought, or if we misunderstood it, our entire model of the universe could be flawed. Gaia has collected data from nearly 2 billion stars to help improve our understanding. With that information, scientists revised the total mass of the Milky Way. It's now believed to be about 200 trillion times the mass of our Sun, which is less than earlier estimates. That could mean stars act differently than we expected. Or perhaps our understanding of dark matter needs major changes. Science is always changing with new discoveries. But the biggest questions are still open. We still don't understand dark matter or dark energy, even though they make up 95% of the universe. They shape everything, but we can't see or touch them. Unlocking their secrets could change everything we know about how the universe works. Strange discoveries, like stars that seem older than the universe, push us to rethink everything. Maybe time itself moves differently in other places. Maybe the universe had earlier versions we haven't discovered yet. Every discovery is a step closer to solving the mysteries of space and time. The universe may be older, larger, and more mysterious than we ever imagined. That's what makes exploring it so exciting. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.